How to protect our personal information. Ethical hacking aims to protect an organization's sensitive information and data by detecting vulnerabilities and then suggesting security measures to patch them. Information security is an integral part of any organization, including various security and infrastructural techniques, with the sole purpose of protecting critical information from any malware or external attacks. For instance, many organizations hold secure credentials to follow biometric security access to obtain confidential information. There are 5 types of information security. 1. Confidentiality. 2. Integrity. 3. Availability. 4. Authenticity. 5. Non-repudiation. 1. Confidentiality. Confidentiality is an assurance that particular information can only be accessed by an authorized user. This helps protect personal information and guarantees that such information will not be shared with any unauthorized user. Privacy-related issues can be caused by incorrect handling of data that allows unauthorized users to access confidential information. Many security policies are used by organizations to protect users' personal information. 2. Integrity. Integrity guarantees that no unauthorized user can modify information or resources. This ensures that the information is complete, original and unobstructed. Violation of integrity can corrupt, damage, and corrupt data. Hackers damage the integrity of data, mostly during its transmission. There are many viruses and worms readily available in the market that can damage data integrity. There are some viruses that can modify the data and resize the file in which the information is stored. 3. Availability. Ensuring that a system performs operations such as storing, processing, accessing data only after getting instructions from an authorized user will be classified under data availability. It only allows authorized users to use the information without any restrictions. 4. Authenticity. Authenticity provides proof of originality of any digital information. This ensures that information, sent or received, is original. The primary role of authenticity is to check and confirm the originality of the data and assure the user that the received data is original and unleaded. Various technologies and devices such as digital signatures and smart cards are used to ensure originality of data. 5. Non-repudiation. This is a safe way to ensure that no one can question the originality of their signature used when signing a document. Using the approach, one can ensure that the sender of the message is not able to deny that he did not send the message, and the receiver cannot deny that he has not received it. Encryption, email tracker, and unique biometric information capture are used to ensure that the authenticity of a document or message is not sent, inquired, or received.
Thanks for watching this video and subscribe Information Perspective channel for more updates.